In this video, I'm going to go over a market capitalization market cap, understanding the companies. Market cap will reveal the company's size and can provide an indication on how it performs in the market. Usually the bigger the market cap, the bigger the company or the greater the company's worth. To work out a company's market cap, you need to multiply the current share price by the total number of outstanding shares. Example: if a company issues 1 million shares and they are trading at $50 a share, its market cap will be 50 million. The formula for this is the price of shares times the number of shares available equals market cap. There are three market cap categories in total: small caps, mid caps, and large caps. Let's look at each category. Small caps. These are companies with a market value of 3 billion or less. These companies are usually young companies or in emerging markets that can be high risk because they're not established as bigger companies. They haven't reached their full potential. However, with lost risk comes large rewards. So if the company is successful, you can actually capitalize from the growth of this company. But beware, there can be large risks associated to small cap companies. Mid caps. These are companies worth between $3 billion and $10 billion. These are usually established companies that are expecting more growth, that carry less risk than small caps as a much bigger. Large caps. These are companies worth more than $10 billion. There are well-established and usually market leaders within this space that are less risky than small caps and mid caps. The growth of these companies are usually steady and with good potential to maintain the position. We had a brief look at all market cap sizes: small caps, mid cap, and large caps. The strategies that we will go from this course can be applied to all cap sizes. If this is your first time investing in the stock market, starting off with large cash will be ideal. It will help reduce the chances of unexpected change in the stock prices, and it can reduce risks. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and also press the bell icon for future updates. See you in a new video. Take care and Allah Hafiz.